Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a and girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, girls want girls. Hey, but girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, can I play a player, babe? I grew up with Dre and Faith. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans, they might have called me on a crazy day. You knew you take it, tryna block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I don't need five with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls want girls where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from. Hey, and you just got to Miami, need hotel room. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42, cause you, hey, you throwing on that dress cause it's see-through.
Okay, y'all, so while my wig is drying, I finished making lunch. I am going to separate my meat. I got ground beef and chicken. I think I'm gonna put the chicken in here because I gotta clean it. I'll just throw it in there for now, and with the mincemeat I'm gonna separate it because I think I'm gonna eat spaghetti today and tomorrow. What I'm gonna eat for lunch, I think I'm gonna eat tuna for lunch. You know, I'm gonna cut a little bit more because I can make ground beef with rice. That's one thing I love about mincemeat. You ain't gotta clean it. But now I gotta sit here and clean this chicken. Oh, these are split up. Now that is done, I am going to season up my mincemeat. I'm not gonna show you how me season it because I feel like I did that already in the last video. But paprika, onion powder, cayenne, garlic, Italian seasoning, and black pepper. I ain't gonna lie, I actually love cooking. I'm gonna tell y'all a reason why I never used to cook, or I hate cooking, or the reason why I never wanted to learn cooking is because everybody in my family would literally tell like all the young girls, you gotta cook for a man, you gotta cook for your husband. Like, that's literally all I seen. There's nothing wrong with that, but don't tell me that's who I'm gonna be cooking for. Like, at least tell me I'm gonna be cooking for myself. Don't tell me I'm gonna be cooking for a man and kids. That's gonna make me not want to cook. But I understand why they said that, because of course they have husbands and they have kids. You gotta teach people in a different way, because telling me that, hell no. Because that's all I seen grew up was females always cooking. I always see the females cook. I probably see two people cooking. That's my dad, and majority of the time he's not cooking. But my uncle used to throw down get-togethers in his backyard, and he was always grilling. But majority of the females in my family always cook, like always cook. Sometimes of course they're gonna serve like their husbands or their sons. So I used to be like, hell no. I used to be like, hell to the no. Now look at me, 26, just learning how to cook. That's sad, but at least I'm trying. You know what I'm saying? At least I'm trying. Oh, this is one thing I don't like looking at, is chicken. I want y'all to let me know, since I'm getting back into this vlogging, how should I don't know why I kind of like my vlogs to where I don't explain what I'm doing, because I feel like vlog is just so random that it shouldn't like be like planned out. Like, I know what the title is going to say. The title is going to be life without social media, and I'm gonna just basically show y'all everything I do without being on social media. Like, of course, cooking. I'm gonna do my hair later. I'm gonna record. I think tomorrow I'm gonna do a story time, so I'm gonna, you know, just share everything I do without social media. Now it hasn't been a month yet though, it hasn't. But of course, after this vlog comes out, it's gonna make a month. Now, you know, we always gotta be honest. I didn't go on social media. I promise you, I didn't go on social media. But I did have to reactivate my Twitter because they talking about after 30 days, they delete your Twitter. Hell no, I had that Twitter for too long. So I did reactivate it, but I did it from my computer because I don't really use my laptop for like social media stuff. So of course I went onto Twitter on my laptop, logged in and got the hell up off of it. I feel like social media on the computer is kind of way better than on the phone, because at least on the phone you're strolling. It just looks weird on the computer.
Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time.
She's a petty kind of link, steady sending news. She's so where from, bitch, 6'5". I got trust in my money and my pistol. She's so where been, bitch, I've been busy. Six, solo versatile. He got all the flows.
You be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Ho, I got something that I could lend you. Ho, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait.
Okay. Before I leave the kitchen, I never showed you guys my gingerbread house. I made this the beginning of January. I was supposed to do it on my birthday, but I never did it. I was supposed to make it on my birthday, and I actually was supposed to vlog it, but I ended up not doing it. I ain't gonna lie. The thing that helped me put this together, I know part of it broke, but the thing that helped this was blow drying it, because I was trying to make it stick and it wasn't sticking. And you could tell all the candies are falling apart. I don't know what I'm gonna throw it away. I think I'm just gonna keep it, but it's so pretty. Okay, y'all, it is 5 o'clock. I'm about to start working out. I'm just gonna put some ice in the top. I'm about to do a 30-minute upper body workout. I might do a little bit more if I do like 40 minutes. I ain't gonna lie, I love working out. I think I'm gonna start, I work out 3 times a week. I think I'm gonna start working out 4 times a week.
You know you a bad bitch, classy nails, French tip. These bitches can't sit with you. White toes for the hoe. Chanel bag off the Chanel swag. I swear I'm feeling you. You ain't just cute, you getting money too. I'm finna trick on who? Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. You can go bust down middle part or side. You can go by, or you can go blind. You got your own shit, you don't.
Look, we into the back. Behind me, look, I got a stick in his back. Ricky run off, I got hit in the back. Pull up on that horn, put it in the back.
Stay with these niggas. You got your own business, got more paper than these niggas. They think you mean you ain't got shit to say to these niggas. You a play with your pussy before you play with these niggas. You know you a bad bitch, classy nails, French tip. These bitches can't sit with you. White toes for the hoe. Chanel bag off the Chanel swag. I swear I'm feeling you. You ain't just cute, you getting money too. I'm finna trick on who? Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. Babe, you know you fine, don't you? Babe, you know you fine. Babe, you know.
Okay, so it is 7 o'clock. As y'all seen, I finished my workout. So now it is time to start cooking this minced meat. I'm making spaghetti. These are the noodles I'm going to be using. So let's get to cooking. I'm about to play some music. I gotta listen to my music while I cook, and I know it's going to be copyrighted. Okay, so dinner is finished.
Action film when we outside like wrong you building. Make me fuck up in ya. Make me fuck up in ya. Jeep, jeep, jeep. Make me fuck up in ya. Acha, keep back, can't stop. Singer, yeah, bad man, killer. Some move, some rock, some signal liquor. Move, you quick, keep back, yeah, jazz. Make me dance couple time, girl, take my picture. I bet me fuck up in ya. Jeep, jeep.
Okay, y'all, so good morning. I think it comes wise what I do.
Okay, good morning, guys. Welcome to the sound of New York City. That's how we wake up every morning. But I just finished eating, and I just finished watching Kaya. Right now I'm watching Quan. Now I ain't gonna lie, I've been new like about Quan. I've seen like a lot of Quan's vlogs, but I feel like I watch Kaya more. And recently I've been watching Quan. His video skills and his vlogs is A1. His vlogs don't even be feeling like a vlog. It be feeling like you on FaceTime with him. And I like vlogs like that. Like I like vlogs where it's just like it looks like a normal day in a person's life. I'm not gonna lie, I don't watch a lot of male vloggers. Like, comment out male vloggers that's out there that's entertaining. I'll watch them, because I used to watch like DDG. DDG might be the only person who I really used to watch. But yeah, like Quan videos are so entertaining. But I'm about to stop this here and go take a shower, and we're gonna start my day, because we're gonna take a shower and then we're gonna do my hair, because my hair needs to be done. This wig is, it needs to retire. Okay, so I'm about to go take my shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, make sure I have everything. I'm thinking if I should do my hair or if I should record, because this is my little setup for my reaction, but I have everything already like lined up. I gotta still figure out what I want to like react to. I see people dropping music. I won't be dropping music on my reaction channel anymore, because I'm tired of my videos getting blocked and copyright. Y'all don't know the struggle. Y'all be like, oh, just drop it, just drop it, just drop it. No, it's not that easy. Having a reaction channel is not that easy, especially if you're not getting paid. Like, one thing about it, I love doing videos for the fun of it, but also if my videos is gonna continue to get blocked, copyright, and I'm not gonna get paid, I could just put it on another platform. So I'm putting all like my music reactions on Patreon. If you want the link, I'll drop the link down below. But as far as like regular videos, y'all still gonna get that on the reaction channel. But yeah, I'm tired of the whole copyright block, not getting paid. We're not doing that. I don't know how this got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't you represent to my day? I'm trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby. Yeah, right, yeah. Bring it up to my place. You be high, baby. Yeah, so I know you, yeah. I wanna do it with the wicked and slang. Baby, yeah, so I know you, yeah. You want a proper fix? Call me. You want to get... Okay, so right now I am about to clean my belly button. That's my belly piercing. Now I ain't gonna lie, it's been almost a year since I got my piercing, so I think this month I'm actually gonna go what am I trying to say? I'm gonna go get it changed, because I haven't got it changed, but I just been cleaning it. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna work on this wig. Let me see what else is on my agenda today. Even though I know I'm on my phone. Oh, I want to show you guys. Hold on, wait. Let me see what's on my agenda. I gotta record some reaction videos. I think if I should just record right now before I do my hair. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna record, because it's gonna be a process to do my hair. I gotta do a story time. I'm doing first time I ever got drunk at 15. I think I was 15, 14. I don't know how old I was, but I was too young to be getting drunk. So we're gonna do that story time. Of course, Bible study. Do I have to cook today? No, I don't have to cook today. Thank you. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something, because this is like a productive vlog. No social media. So look at the last time I used TikTok. That was the 11th. The last time I used Instagram. The last time I used Facebook was the 8th. What else? The rest. Right there. Okay, so like I was saying, I have not been on social media. Let me know in the comments if you consider Twitch and YouTube as social media, because I don't consider it as social media, but people do. Me personally, I just watch YouTube and Twitch as still entertainment. Like, I still need entertainment, you know what I'm saying? I really don't watch TV like that, so I still need some type of entertainment. And of course, like I said in my last video, when I'm on Twitch and on YouTube, I'm still being productive, because it's like I'm not sitting strolling. It's like I'm watching a TV show and doing other things, like washing the dishes or cooking, or, you know what I'm saying, cleaning and stuff like that. But done recording, I'm about to make that tuna that I made yesterday. I'm drinking milk with this. Now I don't got the right bread using regular white bread. I'm supposed to be eating like whole grain bread, but I don't have none. So I remember I used to not like tuna, but now I'm tearing it up. Even avocado, oh my god. Nah, I think as a kid I used to, I don't want to say I like avocado, but it was like cool, like as long as you hook it up. Oh, and I think the other day I made sweet potato. Usually when I make sweet potato, like I like sweet potato, but usually when I make it I don't season it. Man, I seasoned that sweet potato yesterday. That thing was too freaking good. Cause I ain't gonna lie, since I've been working out I've been extra hungry. Well, some days I'm hungry, some days I'm not hungry, but I force myself to like finish all my meals. So I got my milk and my tuna. I think I'm about to just watch some YouTube videos, and then I'm gonna turn the camera when I'm supposed to be doing my hair. Okay, I know I look crazy, but as you can see, I'm in the middle of doing my hair. I'm about to eat some cereal because I am starving. I should eat dinner, but it's 5. I think I'm gonna eat dinner like around 7, but I'm hungry, so I'm about to make some cereal. I gotta wash these plates. Now this is the wig. It's okay. So I'm on the mirror. The mirror needs to be clean, but I didn't want like a full wig. Like this is supposed to be like a 180 density. Be 20 inch. Don't really get 20 inch, but when I measured it, it said 20 inch from the bottom. So I guess 180 density. I had fuller wigs that was 180. I ain't gonna lie. Tomorrow I'm going to the beauty supply store and we're gonna get something to fix this over bleached part. Cause I ain't gonna lie, when I bleached it, it didn't look like I over bleached it. I'm about to cut up my avocado. I'm so ready to eat. I'm about to drink some soda too. I'm only drinking a little bit. I've been eating avocado with everything. Like everything. Even in the morning time. I'm about to eat my spaghetti and avocados. I ain't gonna lie, tomorrow I'm not eating no spaghetti. I'm sorry. Leftovers is cool for 2 days, but after that, we gotta switch it up. I might make mincemeat with rice. But yeah, I'm about to eat and watch this movie. I watched this yesterday. It's called Mother's Instant. And baby, I know there's a plot twist gonna happen in this movie. If you see this movie, I don't know which one. Like, it's like they both going psycho a little bit, but I can understand why the mother is. You talking about it's gonna be her? No, it's gonna be her going crazy.
Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Hey, how many hoes in this club? Is it just me and you, my love? I don't mean to call